Hello guys, today we are doing an unboxing video of unboxing the AirPods Pro. Sure.
What generation are they?
Maybe what gen are they?
Second generation.
Very
AirPods
nice.
Pro second generation. Alright, time to unbox. Man! The other one. We even have this stuff. I think it has a sticker. Does it have a sticker? Stickers? I do not feel like it has stickers. You know what? Want to keep these? Alright. Ooh. Oh, you see that? Man.
Thank you.
Alright, how will we get the sound? I guess we are going, I'm sorry, but I guess we are going. Alright, so I guess we just shake it out. I guess we just have to cut it out and pull it out. What do we do? Alright, but I feel like what we do here is, I feel like what we do here is, and there, yeah, look at that. Ooh, yeah, that's definitely another design. 'Cause see, now, see, look at this. Now it's flat. It's flat now. See,